Hello, it's the evening time and it just finished raining. This is the Abundance Oracle, and if you're a die-hard beach lover, you come out even if it's raining, pouring. You just have to look and look for the seagulls and see what the cranes are doing. Hold on. See here? Let me see if I can show you. See way up there? It's a bird's nest. All right, we're going to turn you around again. And remember when you were young and the really cute boys were the lifeguards? Well, that's where the lifeguard station is, where they all come out of in the middle of a nice warm morning with their rescue thing underneath their arm. What is that called? A buoy? Something like that. And they must be having some event, because look what they do for people in the town that have a hard time walking. Over here is a wooden walkway here, and you can put your beach chairs and everything right off of there. And then there's also this walkway here. And I guess it's not quite the end of the summer because the lifeguards' chairs are still up. Okay. Oh, you see people walking with the dogs? Can you even see that? Let's see if I'm aiming properly. It's too far away to see. We have a little bit of shells. Let's go down to the water and look and see if any shells were brought up on the water, right on the edge. Oops, and the tide's going out, so we might find some interesting shells. Sometimes it brings up the little broken shells, but we'll look. Oh, look what I found. We're heading into the season. Horseshoe crabs. We get a lot on this beach. Oh, an airplane up there. Oh, I wish you were here and could smell. Just pretend you smell all that nice salt water. Are you breathing in and out with the waves? With all the sort of craziness that's going on in the world right now, this is what we all need. Some waves in our life, the good kind of waves. Oh, yep, for sure it's horseshoe season. Hold on. This is a big one. Let me sort of flip it over. Can you see how big it is here? Hold on. I can't do this and touch it at the same time. It's huge. Here's another one as we're walking. Nice hard sand right now. Look what you found. A seagull feather. And there's nice seagrass over here. There's some seaweed along here. but it's mostly cleared beach. It's a very respectful beach. Not much leftover trash. Everybody picks up after themselves. Have you ever dreamed about having a beach house? Look at those over there. Can you see them in the distance? I looked at one. I haven't had a house on the water in many, many years, but I looked at one on the water this past week. My sister was kind enough to call and get an appointment for me to go see. And it was the kind I like, the old-fashioned, almost too close to the water. And I would have had to sell quite a few pieces of my assets to be able to get that house, and I just thought, I'm getting older, and it takes a lot of work now to keep things up. Did I tell you I found a fabulous, fabulous new young gentleman that's willing to help me with the landscaping, and his price is not crazy. Things are good. Life gives you wonderful gifts every once in a while. Okay, now, remember what I used to say this summer? There was a few times when I pointed this boat out here. I don't know, it's so far away if you're going to be able to see it. It's a wooden sailboat, not too big, and we'll flip around and see if I can show you here. It's not always in the little harbor here, but it's here today. It's a treat for you. Oh, I think it's too far away for you to see it. All right, time to go home. Take all that calmness with you. Love you all. This is the Abundance Oracle. We'll see if we can get some more beaches to see before everything gets too cold. But right now, the nice thing is the tourists are gone. Just look at how empty this parking lot is. So maybe we'll do some sneaky adventures. Bye-bye.